Thanks for coming. I think we're only waiting for Shane and Gutu now.
I want the Jarek. Is Jarek going with you?
Jarek's freaking in Anderson. He was Tindering last night, and he had to drop the lady off in the south.
And he asked me, he's like, how far is it?
We're back in Calgary. Hello. Welcome home.
Thank you.
Feels like it's been forever. And we got the crew here. Today is Illmotion, which is pretty much like the last car show of the season for us anyway. And we got the crew for the guys that are heading down with us. Oh, one big announcement. Eddie, wanna let him know what you did to your car?
I wrapped it.
You wrapped it red.
Yeah, how much did the wrap cost?
$27,000.
Yeah, the Diesel badge too, hey?
Diesel badge, everything.
How much
$5
was it?
on eBay, bro.
Did you swap the tranny too? God damn.
Sold the YouTube haters.
Dang! Lots of work went into this, man. Used to be white, used to be automatic.
In the span of 1 week.
Even went wide body. Look at those fender flares. So today I'm actually going to be using the mic and a filter because a lot of you guys were complaining about the sound quality on my videos. Oh, and I don't have it on right now and it's a little windy, so sorry if it's a little staticky, but we'll throw this on. So we got Crits, Lulu, who's still rocking the Jolly Bee sticker. Let's see. Yeah, you need one now.
This is what influenced.
Yeah, well, kinda.
In a way.
It's supposed to be a bee.
A bee?
Oh, fool. But yeah, I guess so. We were kidding. He didn't actually just wrap his car. Let him know. Let him know.
It's a 2015 Nismo. So
Trade it up.
Trade it up. Got a good deal out of it. And
Except he's been planning this for a while, and honestly, manual is the way to go.
more engaged with the vehicle. It feels more raw.
Yeah, for sure. And if you're gonna get this car, man, manual. For like the past couple of weeks, Eddie was reverting his old white 370 back to stock so he can find a Nismo, which he's actually always wanted.
Dude, there's some stuff I need to fix. So this is pretty much a project car now. Bought for a good price. And then there's some stuff I need to fix. But very minor, like all cosmetics and some interior damage. Bumper is gonna replace. It's not a big deal because I was gonna replace my old one, my old car anyways.
Oh, look who's here. Good morrow.
Morning. Did you just get back?
5 hours ago.
5 hours ago.
Hell yeah, brother. I think we're ready to go. Jay, brother.
What up, dude?
How's it going?
Good, are you?
Good.
You made the trek this quick in a day?
Dude, I got back 5 hours ago. But we're here. Yo, have a good morning. Alright. Yo, we made it, guys. So, I saw your car over there. Do you want to join us? How are you, man? Getting bigger.
I know, right?
How are you? Guys, we made it. If you guys aren't familiar, I actually do wear glasses. I have to wear glasses legally when I'm driving. This spot called Indigo Parking Lot is really close to core of downtown Calgary. I don't think I ever uploaded this vlog, but last year when we had it here, like smog from BC forest fires made their way over here. It just made it hard to breathe. So I'll probably do that as a lost vlog on the Lost Royalty YouTube channel. We got Jarek, who drove in from Edmonton. We're pretty late, as always, but yeah, we'll get set up. I'll take out all the booth stuff from my car and get this day started. Pothole. Look at this thing, it's huge. With care. Look at this. It's okay, he's not lowered yet. Yeah. Yo, Chris, you got the goods?
Yeah, we got the goods.
You got the goods?
I got the liquid goods, bro.
Maybe you should park with us, boy.
My car's too special.
Too special? Whoa. All right.
Alright.
Peace.
I need to start it, man.
What the
I
heck?
have to do it.
LG is gonna be showing with us today. I aspire for my E36 to look like this. But now that we're back, I'm actually gonna put in a lot more time on that thing, okay? Stack angle. Holy. legit. Hey, do you want to show them how this works?
I don't want to sit on it.
Please?
Oh,
It has to, product testing. So space efficient. Like you can stick 10 of those in your car. But it actually works, man. Like better than squatting. It's only $3. So I know I haven't been filming most of my more previous events. It's just because it does take a lot out of you, and to be able to film and also interact with the supporters during the shows, sometimes you don't get enough time to do either or. But this show I promised that I would film because it is one of the last shows of the season, and kind of want to show you guys what the car scene is like here in Calgary. What better opportunity to do that? The wheel of decals.
Where's the actual Kevin?
$1,000 off car wrap, here we go! What? 3 tries. Yo, what up, dude? Zane?
Hello, Birdie. What's up? What's
Yo, long time, GTR bros. Yo, you think you can get $1,000 off car wrap first try?
Someone watching?
Yeah, right! Yo, how are you, man?
Good.
Right on. Good to see you.
Been a while.
I'm back, man. I'm
Yo,
back. Shit.
haven't seen you in so long.
I know. This entire week, I promise I'll be at the garage.
Okay.
From dusk till dawn. I'm gonna conserve this battery, okay? We'll get set up and then we'll do an actual like cinematic or something for you guys. I got stuff to do. Looks like the selection of cars here are crazy this year. It's time, crits.
Anytime?
Whoa! Maybe just one. But don't let those people, actually cops are walking around. I didn't know it was so readily available. All right, let's get this show started. Woo! Who's next?
Oh, what's up, Birdie? You're alive!
Yo,
We're here. No, you're alive.
No, you're alive.
This is Love Live.
Hell yeah.
Man,
Break it hard left.
sad days.
Sad days.
Kevin,
What's up, man?
long time no see. I'm glad this made it to the show, bro.
No. Fuck, it's so heavy.
Yeah, so we do have a blue one.
Thanks, doggy. Thinks this thing is. Ed, let me feel this thing.
Alright. Feel free to go in.
Sick, dude. Yo! Damn, Ed, D moving up, bro. Finally. Stick shift.
Traded my 2011 Sport Touring 370 into this 2015 Nismo with only 10,000 kilometers.
Really?
Yeah.
Brand new, dude. I got my FRS with 15,000 clicks on it. Yo, congrats.
Thank you.
Title of this video is gonna be Eddie trades up his car again.
Say hi, be nice. Go make a friend.
Child.
She kind of looks like it, right?
Yeah.
She's almost 10.
Really? What? This is our center pillar. And if this doesn't hold up, this entire booth is gonna fall. Because this part broke. We're going for a walk. There's actually so many cars here that I've never seen ever. So I don't know if they're from out of town or like,
The hidden gems.
yeah,
Like, you know,
the hidden treasures of Calgary.
yeah. When we're not into this, you know, social media.
This booth is bumping.
You get the fucking. It's actually a decent.
Yo, this kid fit a 326 240 wing. Damn, man. Looks good though.
Then I put the bucket in it and everything and got it all like sprayed on, ready to go.
Yeah, man. Oh, one of these days. But I'm
This
here-
winter
yeah.
is gonna be big.
Not being biased, but it's probably my favorite car here. Damn. Wait. Hold up. We've seen this RX-7 before. The interior's all done. Same steering wheel and everything, man. This thing's sick. But the veal side is new. This is one big ass show. Actually, this is visitors, so this is just regular parking, but it's pretty much a show out here too. Yo, snow cones. It's hot. Yo, Brett, rocking that lemonade. Shout outs. Hey guys, dude, I have to talk to you. I want some canards set up, okay?
Hey,
but
finally.
I trust your vision, so I'll swing by the garage sometime, okay?
You got it, man. You got
Yo, go skiing, appreciate it, man. Thank you. It's sick. I think it's a little broken. I just noticed there was something on the lens, so I quickly cleaned it and hopefully it's off now. But there's a little black speck, so sorry if that was bothering you before.
I just got these from McDonald's, man.
Oh,
From
the limited edition ones.
Yeah.
Crazy. Okay. Yeah, match off.
Yeah.
Sick, dude. There you go.
Thanks.
That Odyssey was so done up. Kind of want to do the same to my parents' car.
Yo, we doubling.
You go top speed?
You'd be that guy like effing up the scooter and like hitting a car.
Hey. Dang.
I'm giving him a pound.
Matching kicks.
Yeah.
All right, so that concludes our 2019 Sunday School Show and Shine. Thank you guys once again for coming out. Next year is our final one. Gonna leave in a nice fashion. Please no, I guess, hooning of any kind, racing, revving, whatever. As I mentioned before, we do have cops around 9th Ave. Thanks again for coming out, guys. That wraps up our show. We'll see you next year.
These kids won stuff. Yo, do you know how much this vacuum is worth?
$700.
How much? Just 10. $10 for the raffle. Yo, and this kid won a 4K TV. I was wondering where everyone was getting these things.
It actually fits.
50 inch. Yo, it's roll out time. Mom and Dad came to visit and they were just chilling at the booth the entire day. I think we're gonna go for a bubble tea run and maybe find somewhere in downtown to take photos while the gang is all together. Take advantage of this beautiful day. Freaking hot though. It's like a fridge in here. Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah.
Sick, man. Where'd you get it?
I don't know.
Oh my god. Smells like Japan in here. Dude, we're gonna hard park our cars over there and take photos. This is how we set up a hard park shot. I based my positioning off of Gutu, and he's the first one to park here, so let's see what everyone else does. Mishmash. I'm gonna diagonal myself a little more. These guys are too uniform. Yo, Team Skittles, for reals. Badass, bro. Sick. Dude, you can't park there, bro. They blocked it off. Maybe. Look at it. Time for some refreshments, bubble tea, dessert, all the above. I'm actually kind of starving. 2 hats. Yeah. Okay, next location. We're at my old school, ACAD. Usually come here for nice photos. It's not really occupied during the weekends, so we pretty much get this entire space with all of Calgary behind us. And here comes the friends rolling in.
That was pretty good. You beat me.
Dude, I did the illegal Yui.
Me too. I told Jeffy, I was like, wait, Jeff, watch this. I'm doing something illegal. What?
In the world of despair and despair, now you're gone, leaving me alone. I will survive with the memories of
Pop, pop. Rooftop photo. Thanks, buddy. Thanks. All right. Nice little spot. Alright, we're back, and I think I'm just gonna end this video here. It's been a long day, but successful nonetheless, and always a good time to hang out with everybody. Except Shane never came.
Yo.
Just kidding.
Fucking slept in too late.
I knew it. No, don't worry, man. Everyone was worrying. We tried to call you, and we're like, he's not even answering. It's all good, man. Next time. Other than that, just same regular people come by the booth, hang out, and all the Edmonton people like Jarek, they already left. They're probably almost home by now. I am actually really tired, to tell you the truth, so I think I'm gonna turn in. But I appreciate you guys for stopping by the channel and watching the video. As usual, if you guys want to get updated on when new videos do come out on this channel, subscribe, make sure the notification button is ticked, drop a like, leave some good vibes in the comments, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Peace.